Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Skoda Citigo 2016 to 2019? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 to 2019 Skoda Citigo is located next to the battery under a protective cover. It houses fuses and relays for essential systems like the ABS, radiator fan, ignition, and central control unit. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2016 to 2019 Skoda Citigo. It contains fuses for essential systems such as the instrument cluster, air conditioning, headlights, switches, and the central control unit. Fuses in the dashboard. The dashboard fuses in the 2016 to 2019 Skoda Citigo. They protect and control circuits for components such as the instrument cluster, air conditioning, headlights, switches, and the central control unit. In models with the start-stop system, an additional fuse box on the left side of the dashboard. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.